Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Pakoyik and I work for Roadmap Technologies. Today I'm going to be talking about RayEval, which is a documentation tool created by RayNet. Documentation is a very important step in the application lifecycle. With documentation, mistakes in installing can be easily avoided. This will allow you to take the guesswork out of the installation also. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's click on RayEval down here, and here's the dashboard. And if you look on the right, we have our recently opened projects. On the bottom, we can open a project, but we're going to come right here and click Start a New Project. Alright, you can see you have two options. One's RayFlow. This will connect up to RayFlow, which is RayNet's workflow management product. But we're actually just come right here and click Evaluation. So this is a simple evaluation. And okay, we're gonna take a look up here. You have to choose your installation type. The thing we're going to be installing today is a .exe, so we'll be choosing legacy or third-party setup. Click Add File. Navigate to the folder. There we go. And as you can see, it actually auto-filled in your application name, application version, manufacturer name, all for you. It also fills out a couple other things for you up here. If something is incorrect, you can actually come in here and change it. But let's get back down to the main thing, the evaluation. So you come down here and you click the evaluation button here in the corner, and it brings you over here. As you can see, we have no steps yet, but that's okay. We're actually just going to click here on the Run the Setup button, which will run the .exe for us. And here we go, got our first step. So RayEval, the automatic setup to make a new step is you click the center button, do that, and there you go, we actually get another step. It creates new text with it each time. For instance, this one I just did the window screenshot, so it puts down make sure the window FileZilla client is in this following state. If we don't like that, we can actually change that. There you go, and then that'll be their new text for it. So let's get back to it. You can actually even screenshot the buttons if you need to. So if you want to say, hey, make sure you click agree, puts in there, and you can put down click button I agree. Now we come up to some radio buttons here, and you want to make sure that this one isn't selected and this one is. So we can even do this, and I'll highlight that red and make sure you see that that's the one that's supposed to be clicked. So we'll just run through this really fast. Next. Keep all of our details. And there we go, we're finished with that. FileZilla pops up. We don't need that though. Now say you make a mistake and you take a picture of something you don't want. Like, I don't know, whoops, I took a picture of my actual evaluation page. Well, that's alright, we can just right click, remove. If someone comes in the wrong place, you can even drag around and put it in a new place. And silly me, I put everything under the preparation tab. We don't want that. Let's highlight all of them, click move to installation tab. And there we go, it's under installation. You can put even things under post installation and test procedure, but we don't have anything like that. So all this does is it puts in the correct place on the evaluation template, which we're about to get to. The other thing, actually, before I forget, is that if you can't just click the middle button to take a screenshot, you can actually just come down here and click select the region. A nice picture of the Ray suite. And what we're going to do next now is we're going to come up here, going to export, and we're going to do it as a Word document for us. And you can see that we have 3 here. These are all the default templates that come with it, so you don't have to create anything on those ones. We'll choose RayEval template, and we'll export. And we'll put it here in Documents. And here we have it. Our RayEval evaluation is finished. So if we come through here, we can actually look at all the information that it pulled for us, software name and everything. You see we didn't put an evaluator name, so actually we can even edit this here in Word and get rid of that. Puts a nice table of contents for you even. We drop down to installation steps, page 4. Here we go. So first things first, so we got our double click and everything like that. Here's all our steps. Here's the one that I changed up. Look, here's a window. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to make your document. So if there's something like, say, test procedures, we don't need that. We can get rid of these also. And it'll fix the numbering for you even. So the other thing you can do is actually make your own templates if you, like, say you want to add your own logo in there. So for us, let's test it out, and we're actually going to put in our Roadmap Technologies logo in there. So all you'd have to do is come to the File Explorer, and this first part right here is a little bit different depending on how it got installed. But for us, we're going to come to Ray Suite, and then after this it's usually the same. We're going to come into RayEval, Plugins, Templates, and here are all the default templates. Come in here and you can actually just click in and you can then edit them and add in your pictures and everything like that that you want. Alright, jumping ahead, here's my created document with the Roadmap Technologies logo on each page. All we did is put it in the header and had it repeat on each page. So there you go, now we have our logo on it, so let's go test it out. Alright, so we'll just come back over here to our RayEval, we'll go back to export. Oh wait, it's not there. So what actually we have to do first is come to settings, click on templates, click add, we want this as a doc. I'll have to choose our image, which is over here. Actually, let's change this up back to a PDF since we have already showed off the document. And let's come back. Oh, we gotta save first. Can't forget to save. Go to export again. This time PDF. Drop down. And here's our IMT template. It even has a logo right here. We'll export. And here we are. We've got our nice document now here in a PDF. And in the PDF, which is nice actually, you can just click around on them. So let's just go to installation steps and bam, brings us right to it. Just in case you get tired of scrolling or you have a gigantic document actually, unlike our small little FileZilla one. Well, with that, I think I've showed you everything I needed to show you. Best of luck, and I hope you guys enjoy RayEval. Have a great day.